This laptop was free and just what I needed when I'm on the road.
It really worked. A free laptop, just for buying and trying some new products and services.
I thought it was too good to be true, but here's my free laptop.
If you act now, you can join the lucky people who have earned their very own free laptop computer from the Get My Free Laptop program.
When I heard about a free laptop, I was a bit skeptical. So I logged in and really checked it out. This is for real.
Our sponsors need your participation, and we're willing to reward you for it. You just complete all the program requirements, and we just send you a free laptop. It's pretty simple.
All I did was buy some products I was already interested in, and now I've got a free laptop.
Log on and register today for the Get My Free Laptop program. Get My Free Laptop. The name says it all.
Log on now to getmyfreelaptop.com. That's getmyfreelaptop.com. Getmyfreelaptop.com.